So in this Yahoo Finance tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to view the Q3 earnings of a stock on Yahoo Finance. So the first thing you have to do is open up the Yahoo Finance application. Once that is done, you now have to select a stock if you're choosing. So for this demonstration, how about I just go to the search bar here at the top, and how about I search up ticker symbol SHOP for Shopify. So we'll press on Shopify right here. Now, if you want to view the Q3 earnings of Shopify, it's fairly straightforward. Just scroll down to this option right here to where it says Summary, Analysis, and Financials. Press on the Financials tab right here. Then under Financials, it says Performance and Earnings. Simply just press on Earnings right here. And once you're on the Earnings page, you can now see the earnings for Q1, Q2, Q3, and Q4. But specifically in this case, Q3 for 2023 here on the Earnings page. So fairly straightforward, but this is how to view the Q3 earnings of a stock on Yahoo Finance. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.